How to replace the AC cord on an Amigo shopper. Tools needed: a Phillips screwdriver. Step 1. Remove the old AC cord. Begin by removing the AC strap by unscrewing the single Phillips head screw. Then, open the strain relief enough to remove the AC cord. Next, pivot the AC strap so the cord can be removed. Finally, unplug the AC cord from the back of the Amigo. Step 2. Install the new AC cord. Plug the new AC cord into the AC receptacle. Then, place the new AC cord into the strain relief by opening the clamp. Make sure to leave a little slack in the cord. Typically, the area where the cord starts to coil is a good spot to use. Next, pivot the AC strap back into place so the clamp covers the plug. Finally, reinstall the AC strap and strain relief by reinserting and tightening the Phillips head screw.